A mai girma Alhaji Aliko Dangote ya ce fa shi ba wai yana son a kama Farouk bane, yana son a ce ne a binciki Farouk sosai. Idan ba ku gane Farouk ba, wannan bawan Allah da ya kwashi yaran shi guda 3 ne ko 4 ya kai su makaranta a ƙasan waje da kuɗaɗe maƙudan biliyoyin kuɗaɗe, ya ce yana so ne a bincike shi sosai ba a kore shi ba. Bara ku ji daga bakinsa.
The question that you asked, no, I don't want Farouk to be sacked, but I want Farouk to be investigated and then also let the legal process take its toll. He should go to either conduct, code of conduct bureau, or go to the court. Let them now see whether his income matches the 5 million he has paid school fees for 6 years for 4 of his children. This without tickets or this without anything. And then also after that one, they are all have finished university. If you give those accounts, then his name will be clear. He doesn't need to be sacked. But let him clear that he has no compromise his various positions in government, okay, at the cost of Nigerians. Okay, when a lot of people in Sokoto, they can't even go to school because of 100,000 naira.